Sup fam, so all of you already knew what this video is all about. Long story short, in the past few days I downloaded a photo editor but it didn't work and I just ignored it. After 3 hours, I received a message and it says that my Gmail password has been changed, and I was shocked because I never changed my password. So I immediately logged into my account and I can't open it. I tried to recover it but there is no recovery option. So I felt sad and upset because of what happened to my account. I spent a lot of my time searching on how to recover it. After hours of searching on how to recover it, I finally found a way on how to contact YouTube. I made a Twitter account and posted my problem regarding to my YouTube account. After a few minutes, Team YouTube sent me a form to be filled out and I need to tell them or explain them what happened. After answering all their questions, they finally sent me a link so I can change my password. I was so thankful and happy because I got my account back, and I worked really hard for this channel and I spent a lot of my time, and this channel really means a lot to me. So I am so thankful to Google support and to Team YouTube for helping me. So yeah, that's it. The channel is back. I'm back. And let's start making videos again. And I just want to say thank you so much to all my YouTube members and to all my supporters. I really appreciate it. Peace.